This 2008 Tiffin Phaeton 40 QSH is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 40 feet 5 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Kona, medium Alderwood interior, sleeps 5, slideout, skylight, self-contained, external shower, auxiliary battery, water heater, stove top burner, smoke detector, air conditioning, TV antenna, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2008 Tiffin Phaeton 40 QSH is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins 8.3L 360 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.